Question number 17. He said a rectangular sheet of tin 45 by 24 is made into a box without top. This is, we have taken a sheet 45 by 24. What he is saying, he said by cutting off the square from the corners, these squares we are cutting from the corners, and these left flaps we are folding up, and we are making a box without top. Box without top. He said what should be the side of the square? What should be this side of the square? Let us say x. This we need to find, that what should be the side of this square we need to cut from each corner, so that the volume of the box must be maximum. Volume of the box must be maximum, means we need to differentiate this box. Now see, this is the same sheet I have taken 45 by 24, 45 by 24, and what he is saying is, he said from each corner you cut a square. From each corner you cut a square piece of equal size, and see what you will get is, on each side you will get the flaps. So this kind you will get. Now he said these flaps to be folded up, these flaps to be folded up and make one open box. So this is the box you got. This is the open box you got. Is it clear? This is the box you get. Now he said volume of the box must be maximum. What could be the dimension of this square to cut? As volume of the box must be maximum, suppose we are cutting it like this is 45 by 24. If we are cutting it more than this, then its width will be very less, and what will increase? See, this is the square we are cutting up, this is the square we are cutting up, and what will increase? If it is more, then its height will increase. Breadth will be reduced, length will be reduced, and height will be increased, means there will be a change in the volume of this. So the question is to get the value of x for the maximum possible volume. Now if we are cutting it, what will be the length? If we are cutting x from here, we are cutting x from here, x from here, like this, x from here and x from here, and then we are making the box like this, then what will be the length of the box? So length of the box will be 45 minus 2x, isn't it? This is 45 minus x minus x. 45 minus 2x will be the length. What will be the width here? That is 24 minus 2x. X from this side and x from this side will be reduced. And what will be the height of the box? That is whatsoever x. This and this we are folding the flap. So what will be the height is x. So we will get its volume now. Volume is length into breadth into height. That is, volume depends on single variable, differentiate it, and for maximum minimum put it equal to 0. After differentiating, put it equal to 0, then you will get the value of x at this point, and then find the double derivative, and that must come negative to get maximum volume. So what is to find here is, he said what should be the side of the square? So side of the square must be x at this point. Whatsoever you will get, solve it and give me the answer.